What's going on, everybody? So today I am going over the bike. Sorry about the previous videos. I haven't been around since last October. I ended up getting into a motorcycle accident. There was some damage on the bike. The bar ends I replaced. There were some scratches on those. Ended up scratching the tank a little bit. Bent my shifter right there. I mean, I bent it back a little bit so I could ride it, but scraped off some of the shifter. This bracket's bent for the cover. You can see I kind of spray painted it a little bit because it looked like crap. Some of the fairings are scratched up. That's repairable. Some more of the fairings scratched up. That is repairable as well. Nothing actually cracked, which is really nice. This is repairable. That's not too bad. But what happened was I ended up going around a corner at about, well, not a corner, but like a roundabout of about 70 miles an hour, and I didn't realize it until I looked down. I was just straight vibing, dude. That's scratched up on the back side, a little bit there. No scratches on the frame, which is really nice and lucky. Like, I got really lucky on this. I don't think there's too much. Yeah, there's no damage on the bottom. That's a sticker. A little bit of scratch right there. But yeah, I mean, some of the mirrors scratched up. These are those cheap flip ones, like $100 or something. This one's loose. Definitely don't recommend these because when you're flying down the road, like, they'll just fold down. They'll just fold down like that. This one's tight, but that's the only one I can use.